Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm back with another video, and thank you so much to Modelones for sending me over this amazing polygel kit. And this is one of their new polygel kits. This is the So in Love polygel kit. Absolutely amazing, absolutely stunning. I would never recommend or come on here and advertise or share a product that I do not like. So I always want to be honest with you guys and give you my honest opinions and review of whatever product I am showing. So Modelones is one of those companies that I have been working with for a really long time. I always show content on their products. I absolutely love them, and they're just such an amazing team. Their company, you know what they stand for, and their prices are impeccable in my personal opinion compared to other companies. So here I'm just briefly showing you everything that this kit includes. By the way, I absolutely love polygel, and I know a lot of people do as well. So I am trying to incorporate more of that on my channel because I have been doing a lot of like gel polish, but not a lot of polygel. And honestly, polygel is one of my favorites as well. And here I'm just showing you everything. And by the way, this polygel kit was outstanding, stunning. If you love all things glitter, then you're definitely gonna love this one because it's not like fine glitter or chunky glitter. These are sequence glitters, so they're stunning, and I didn't have anything like this, so to add this to my collection was just an absolute plus. And yeah, off the bat I knew I wanted to do a Kawaii set. That's this, like, the moment I saw this polygel kit, that bulb went on and it just said Kawaii, Kawaii, Kawaii. So that is what this set is gonna be on. This is one of the more like extra type of sets that I have done on my channel. I had mentioned in some previous videos that what I genuinely love when creating nails is like those extra type of nail looks. Like, I love just being so creative and unfolding my creativity and just placing on the nail whatever comes and pops up in my head. So I definitely love just being creative and doing the most when it comes to nails. I feel like that's the really fun part in it. So yeah, and I'm just really blessed to be able to have all these materials and, you know, everything to create what I desire. So I'm always really grateful for that, and I'm very grateful for you guys as well. Thank you guys so much for tuning in and watching. None of this would be possible without my audience, so I definitely appreciate each and every one of you who supports me on any social media platforms. It means the absolute world to me. So here I'm just briefly going in and swatching them really quick, and I will be showing you up close what they look like. I'll be showing you what the polygels look like uncured, and then I'll be showing you what the polygels look like cured. And these were just so beautiful. Let me know your thoughts and opinions on this particular polygel kit. I absolutely loved it. I thought it was so gorgeous, and I hope you guys do as well, and I hope you enjoyed today's video. So if you guys enjoyed today's video, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Hit the notification bell to get notified every single time I upload to never miss out on any uploads, and subscribe if you haven't already. And thank you guys. I'll let you enjoy the rest of the video. So the first step is applying some base coat. So this is really important because this is what's going to adhere the nails to the polygel, and also it protects the nails. So if you want long lasting nails, I didn't include this in the video, but you always want to make sure to remove the shine off the nails and then add a dehydrator along with a primer and then apply your base. But I'm just going in with the base coat since this is only for video purposes. I did off camera use a peel off coat, and I usually always mention that I use the UNT peel off coat. I definitely recommend it. So now I'm gonna start doing my process, and I honestly love using this particular nail stand like this just because it always levels out the polygel towards the end, and I absolutely really appreciate that. So as a slip solution, I will be using a base coat, but you are welcome to use whatever works best for you. And this is what I really enjoy using polygel with, base coat. So that is what I'm doing here, and I'm just maneuvering around the nail. My personal favorite way to apply polygel when I am doing the FEMI Beauty method, also known as the lazy girl method, is starting from the cuticle and then going down all the way to the free edge. I just find it very simple and easy, and it just gets every corners of the nail. So here, that is what I am doing. And then I'm just going to be repeating the process for the rest of the nails, but I did decide to use 5 of the polygels just to show you guys what it would look like on the nails. Since they were so cute and pretty, I just wanted to go ahead and use all of them, or most of them. I just ended up not using one because it is a total of 6 and I only have 5 fingers, so I only used 5. But they looked really pretty, and I hope you guys liked them as well. So here I'm just showing you up close the numbers that I'm going to be using. And what I really loved about this polygel is just super easy to work with. This polygel, in my personal opinion, is for anybody, whether you're a beginner or not, or whether you're advanced. This definitely works out for everybody. It's not runny, it's not stiff like that, and I feel like it's just perfect. Like, it's in between. It's not runny and it's not stiff. It's just right. So I definitely recommend it for anybody. Super easy to use. And if you do the lazy curl method, you will literally have your nails done all the time because it is just so efficient, so convenient, and so easy, honestly. Like you guys could see for yourselves here, it doesn't get easier than this, literally. So I always try to make like videos that are time efficient and easy and that anyone can recreate at home, because I know, you know, the nail journey isn't always the easiest. We all start somewhere, and it's not always, you know, the easiest thing to do, especially when you start off doing nails. I remember starting off and, you know, it wasn't the easiest thing, because it's not, and it takes a lot of time and practice, so just like any other skill or craft. But yeah, this one I definitely recommend because I feel like anyone can do. Literally, it's like super easy. It's already pre-shaped for you, because the reality is when you use full coverage nails, they already have a really nice shape, but you could always go in and shape them a little bit more if you desire, like I always do, but you don't have to. So that's what also makes it a lot easier for people who are just beginning to do nails or want to start in the future. And I definitely recommend you guys go for it, because honestly, that was the best choice that I ever could possibly do or make, was starting to do my own nails at home. Because let alone this set that I did, it's not to be like, wow, like I'm this amazing artist or anything like that, but I believe that a set like this would easily cost me $200 or more if I went to a salon, or if I went to somebody who does nails, that knows how to do nails. They would charge me about $200 or more for a set like this, because of all the charms that I use. So the fact that I'm able to create this at home for such an affordable price is amazing to me. So yeah, here I am just going in and finishing up the nails. And the only reason that I priced these nails so high, like if I was to go to a salon, is because the reality is that they charge for each individual charm. Like I remember getting my nails done, something super simple, maybe 2 designs, and it would always come up to like $55. And that was just something super basic, literally minimal as can be, and it would be $55, and I would always give at least a $15 tip, so it would cost me a lot of money. And there were short nails on top of that, so I know a set like this would cost a lot of money, especially here where I live in Miami. The nail business and the nail industry is like booming right now at the moment, and people charge, and I understand why they charge. I mean, everybody has to eat, everybody has to make their money. So, but I'm just saying, I'm very grateful that I'm able to do them at home for such an affordable price, and you can as well. And all these charms that I get, honestly, are either from AliExpress, which are either $1 or $2, or they're from Shein, which are $1 or $2. So everything is very, very affordable. So yeah, here I am just going in now and applying them onto the nail plate, and then I'm just individually curing them for about 30 or 60 seconds, depending on how strong your nail lamp is. And that is what I'm doing here. And remember, if you get any polygel on your skin, you could always grab a brush and clean around the cuticle area and then place them into cure. So this is what they look like. Let me know what you guys think. You could definitely leave them like this if you'd like, and they still look absolutely beautiful in my personal opinion. And you can do this on any length too, which is really nice, but I just personally love long nails, so that is why I always choose to use these. And these are absolutely amazing. I literally got these on AliExpress for only $4 and some change, so it was definitely worth it and super affordable, and they're just super beautiful. So here I'm just grabbing some alcohol, removing the tacky layer, which is super important before going in and shaping and filing. So that is what I'm going to be doing now, and I hope you guys enjoy the rest of the video. Now that I'm done with the nails, I'm just gonna go ahead and grab some charms. So I was just here looking through some of my charm boxes to see what I could place on the nails. So you guys are gonna see the process of me thinking of what I am gonna place on the nails. Sometimes it's really hard. Like, I'm not gonna lie, I don't always know what to do, like what sets to do, what to put on the set, if I should leave it be. Like, it's just a lot sometimes. So here I'm just trying to contemplate on what charms I'm gonna put on the nails, because I just knew I wanted some kawaii and nails. So here I'm just gonna briefly show you the process of me picking out some charms. So after I was done picking the charms of my liking, I'm just going to go ahead really quickly and apply top coat on top of the nails and underneath the nails. And I'm going to go ahead and cure it for 60 seconds. And then I'm going to go ahead and grab my Couture Gummy Jelly, which is a really nice and affordable rhinestone glue and charm adhesive that I really recommend to anybody if you're looking for one. I absolutely love that one. That's the only one that I've tried, so that's the one that I'm recommending, but I'm pretty sure there's other amazing ones out there as well. So here, that is what I'm doing, and then I'm going to go ahead and apply the charms. So now, after I'm done placing all my charms, I'm gonna go in with some cuticle oil, and that is it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching and tuning in. I really appreciate it. Let me know down below in the comments your thoughts and opinions. Thank you guys once again. I love you all. Till next time.